Hey guys, welcome back to the home gym. Coach Carp here with another home gym / garage gym video. Today we had a company reach out to us, Tong, which is a shelving company. They make storage shelves. So we've got this 4-tier 72 by 24 by 72 rack. First of all, we're gonna have to get this space cleaned up because we've got a lot of debris and things that I don't want over here. We cleaned out our storage unit and a lot of items, so we're gonna get that cleaned out and then stick with me. We're gonna check out the rest. Now this piece of equipment, the idea is going to be for general garage storage as well as home gym storage. So this rack is going to be our rack that we use for things like gas cans, totes, other home gym goods, as well as some of the overflow from our garage gym. So I'll be able to put some of my attachments and other things on here and get it up out of the way. So hopefully that's going to be a great solution for us because we'll be able to stack totes and things higher up on different levels because it is adjustable. And that's what we're going for. Now we're gonna set it up in this area here for now. Not sure it's gonna stay here long term. I may move it over to the other side of the garage over here in the weightlifting area, use it as a backdrop or something over here on the other side. So we'll see what it looks like when I get it all assembled and what I think about it. If I leave it over here on this side on a storage wall or we integrate it into the gym as part of the actual gym. I won't know until I get it set up and see kind of how I feel about it and where I wanna put it. That one's got a little bend to it. Hopefully that's something that just straightens out when you have weight on it, but that one right there is already bent. Seems to be wrapped pretty well for what it is. I mean, it's still on steel. It does have some, wrapping and stuff in there. Now the instructions took a beating in shipping. You can see that they're all beat up pretty bad, but kind of an exploded view of the actual rack, but the 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, but you might want to straighten it out or put a book or something on it to get that, just FYI.
The sun goes down on a Tennessee street, another long day on tired feet. But there's a light burning out in the shed where the iron calls and the weak stay in bed. Camera rolling, the red light glows. Another review for the channel goes. From power racks to specialty bars, chasing big dreams beneath garage gym stars. And I can hear those plates collide like thunder in the night. Every rep and every set feels like coming back to life. Take me home to the garage gym where the strong belong. Take me home where the steel sings loud and the grind goes on. From the YouTube screen to the platform floor, always chasing one more pound, one more score. Take me home to the garage gym. Texas power bars in my hands tonight, deep narrow biting, everything feels right. Strength cold plates on the sleeve, spin slow. Everybody watching wants to see how far I'll go. The comments rolling from around the world. Garage gym lifters, every boy and girl building their kingdoms one rep at a time, sharing the struggle, sharing the climb. And I can hear those collars lock like a signal in the dark. When the Husker power lock snap into place, it's time to leave. strong belong. Take me home, where the steel sings loud and the grind goes on. From the YouTube screen to the platform floor, always chasing one more pound, one more score. Take me home to the garage gym. Strong man Saturdays loading up the log, chalk in the air like a midnight fog. Have me cushions waiting for the crash below.
Hey guys, you saw me putting this Atlas 4-tier shelving together, and as I talked about earlier in the video, I thought I might move it around some. So I have some space over here on the gym, but I actually thought I would like it more over here in this space. So behind this Atlas shelving is my home gym, and I wanted something for additional storage, for garage storage, and as well as home gym storage, because you'll see I have some of my different attachments on here, some of my tools, gas cans, stall mats and pull blocks for things like powerlifting and strongman training, you know, just dollies and, you know, different furniture movers and stuff. When I saw this rack, I was like, hey, this Atlas storage is going to be awesome, because they even had dumbbells in their advertisement. So yes, you can put dumbbells on here, which, you know, just to show you guys, I want to show you that it can do that. But also, if you have taller items, these grates can come up. They're in sections. This middle section and this section have the removable grates that are cut in the middle, where the top and the bottom are the longer ones. You could shuffle those around however you wanted to move ones on the top or the bottom, but you can put taller items in here by taking out this grate. And then you could have something taller here, like I've got some plastic wrap or something. Say you had a larger toolbox, like if I take my toolbox and stack it up, it could fit up in here and I could still have access to it. But for right now, I'm just using each shelving. And then you're able to get these big industrial totes you get from like Walmart or Lowe's. These big totes with the red tops, or sometimes you see the ones with the yellow tops. They fit in there nicely. You can do it if you wanted to with storage. You could have some of these totes all up and down. And if here I'm the garage door, but you could have, you know, if you had it further in where it's higher, because right here it's over the garage door. I've got some of my weightlifting pads up here, some of my lights and stuff, and just additional storage. I think what I'm going to do is put a lot of my weightlifting attachments over here and use the bottom two racks mainly for like tools and stuff, and I have access to that. And in my gym, I do a lot of filming content and stuff. When I'm filming and working out, I don't want to see all that stuff in the background. So I have a giant banner from ATX Fitness. I just put that all along the front, so it's inside the gym. It'll just look like a banner on the wall, and I'll show you guys a picture or a video of that. I'll put it up on the screen so you see what I'm talking about. So from inside the gym looking out, you don't see any of this storage. You really just see the banner. And that's something that's really cool. I've seen other people put wood slats and things on that. You could do something like that, because all these little holes, you could bolt something to it or whatever if you wanted. And as far as the assembly and everything, I've been really impressed with it. It's really sturdy. It seems like it can hold a lot of weight. And it's really just a snap together design. All you really need is a rubber mallet, because all these, it's like tongue and groove or peg and groove. You basically just slide it in and then pound it down. I would recommend putting it all together loosely and then go back around and just hammer them all in, hammer each rung in with a rubber mallet, and you'll be good to go. Really appreciate the guys with Atlas Shelving for sending this out for testing and review. It's held up to everything that I put on it, and I would recommend it. So check it out. I think you can get them on Lowe's.com, or maybe they have a website. I'll put a link in the description. Maybe that way it'll make it easier for you to find. Not affiliated with this company, but they did want an honest review, and it's very sturdy. I would recommend it. I think it's going to do an awesome job, and I think it can hold a lot of weight. So check it out if you need some home gym storage or garage gym storage. Peace. Go lift, baby. Woo!
Thanks for watching Cops Gym. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss future reviews, garage gym tours, comparisons, and home gym builds. Drop a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. Until next time. Train hard, train smart, and go lift! Yep!